Hello, everyone. The question is 7 minus 2, in brackets, 7 minus 2, 7 minus 2. That becomes minus 5, bracket 7 minus 2, positive 5. Sorry, here it's 7 minus 2 plus 5, and as soon as we hang the bracket, we multiply. So 5 times 5, that's 25. And this is the wrong answer. Let's rewrite the question. 7 minus 2, in brackets, 7 minus 2. First, we'll solve the bracket according to the BODMS rule. After that, we'll look at division and multiplication. So 7 minus 2, in brackets, 7 minus 2 becomes 5. When we remove the bracket, we write multiplication. 7 minus 2 into 5. Further solving the question, 7 minus 2 is 5, 5 times 2 is 10. Now, 7 minus 10 becomes minus 3. This is the right answer.